Guys, look at this. You guys are still playing?
We went to a movie and grabbed some burgers.
What are you up to, like 90 games or something?
Same game.
Tie score.
You know, it's just a matter of time before you're going down. I've never lost.
Yeah, nor have I. Granted, I've only played Spencer, and that's not much to brag about.
I heard that.
Oh, yes!
I lost? You know, it's not so bad. Anyone want to play another?
No!
Spencer, I think I found something.
Hopefully it's the papers to set me free from this indentured servitude.
No such luck, my friend. I think I found where to start our hunt for the next jewel. The legendary Houou Bird.